This 2023 Porsche GT3 RS is coming for a custom exhaust system to be fitted. We're going to do a before sound, full installation, and also take it down the road and do a full send in it. It's going to sound absolute nuts. So stick around, watch this space, and let's enjoy this.
Going in.
Well, what do you reckon the sound of that? We think it sounds absolutely brilliant. It's not too leery, but also it gives you that little bit of fizz, the fact that you give it the beans, it gives you the sauce. So we thoroughly enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also think about subscribing, because we do plenty of stuff like this, and we've got something extra special in the pipeline. It's literally just turned up outside. You ain't going to want to miss it. So be sure to hit that bell notification as well, so you don't ever miss an upload. But until then, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.